Imagine you're putting together a poster for a big sale. You want it to look neat and inviting, attracting, something that'll grab people's attention. Now, aligning things in Canva is like that. By aligning up text, pictures, and decorations to the edges of the poster or to each other, your bake sale flyer will look balanced and easy to read. So no more wonky photos and crooked text boxes. Plus, Canvas alignment tool will help you to put things exactly where you want them, so saving your time from moving things around again and again. So this is especially helpful if you're making a bunch of flyers or a whole presentation with multiple pages. So everything will look nice and consistent, just like a pro designer. So let's jump right into this video now. What you have to do is let's click on here and create a design, and here I'm going to select a YouTube thumbnail. Let's say for my situation I'm creating a YouTube thumbnail and I need to align a lot of objects here. So first, for YouTube thumbnail I'm going to need an element. Let's say is a Canva video. So I'm going to right here, Canva logo, grab this logo here. I have this logo. I can resize now this logo, and now as you can see here in position we have align to page. So I can align now to top, to left, to middle, to center, to right, bottom, top, middle. So now this way we can align here from align to page. Now if you don't want to go to here to click 2 times, you can click 1 time, and here you have this. You have align, left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. And now if you want to move the text and you want to lock in, you have to hold shift. Let me zoom out. So if I hold shift, it actually locks, and if I don't hold shift, but if you hold shift, you see it locks. If you want to move, but you don't want to, if you want to move a vertical axis or a horizontal axis, you hold shift. All right, I hope this is gonna help you. Now, but what if you have a text? So you can also press T, save you some time, and I grab the text and hold Alt. This will duplicate. That's not something we want. But if you hold shift again, it will lock in on the vertical, the horizontal axis. But if I click on position here again, it's going to move it center, right, bottom, top. If I were to right click and I hover over align to page, I have again all the options here, which is pretty nice. Center works best. And that's the tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more. If you have more questions related to Canva, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna try to create a tutorial for you, or just give a response, an answer to your question. If you leave a question down below, a question related to Canva. Thank you for watching. I hope you can have a fantastic day.